Hello guys, and welcome to a new GTK properties tutorial. Today we are going to find out how we can list child properties. In the last video we saw how we can, or better say, what do we need to find out if a property exists, like in our case the pack type. And for this we needed GTK container class find property function. Now there is another function which is called, it is right down here, GTK container no, not this one, sorry. GTK container class list child properties and says returns all child properties of a container class. So basically with this function you don't check if there is a function, if an object has a particular child property. With this function basically you are printing all available properties which are found or which are available for the object in this case. So the first one is the class, the GObject class, and the second one container class, better said, and the second one is the number of the properties. So how this one works, as you can see, we need a double pointer. So we are going to make some changes to our program. In this case we are going to create a double pointer. We are going to remove this one and we are going to replace it with the number of the properties, like in this case right here. And once that we did, we don't need a pointer for this. We can call this function, and we are going to point our properties property, let me call it to something new, parameter spec, better than property because there are more than one. So the GTK container class list child property needs also two arguments. The first one is the class of the object, in this case GObject get class help us to get it, and the second one, it is our number of properties, and we need to pass its address because we need to update this variable. Once that we have it, we are going to say if parameter spec it's okay. So if it's working, or somebody, or better, no, you know what, I'm going to do something else. I'm going to comment all these things right here, and we are going to use a for loop for g int is equal to 0 and okay, forgot, is less than number of the properties, because this is very important. Then we are updating it plus plus, and now we can, I'm going to copy these calls right here, and I'm going to change it to parameter spec I. Okay, so basically what we did here, we declared a double pointer, a parameter spec, and variable and properties. We are calling GTK container class list child properties. We are passing its first argument class of the header bar, and the second one we are basically passing the properties number. Once that we have it, we create a for loop and we are checking against the end properties if it's less than, and once that we have them, we declare g constant gchar const property variable, and we point in the g parameter spec get name of the first, second, third, and so on, how many it will be properties. And once that we have it, then we are printing the property, something like this. And as you can see, we got two. The property name is the pack type and the property name is the position. If we go back to the documentation of the header bar, you already know that the header bar has only two child properties, the pack type and the position. Yes, which is true. So this means our program works fine as expected as well, pack type and position. Okay, that being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.